Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will be showing you how to use your smartphone camera as a webcam. So let's say you will be attending to an online meeting and request you to turn on the camera, but you realize you don't have one. Well, don't worry, now you can show your face online with your own smartphone. So let's get into it, shall we? The first thing you have to do is download the application called webcam on your smartphone. It is also available on iOS. Next, you need to download the client on your computer or laptop on this site. Download and install. After it installed, open the client. You can connect your phone camera over Wi-Fi or USB. For Wi-Fi users, open the application on your smartphone, copy the Wi-Fi ID and the port into the client. If you type it correctly, the camera projection should be displayed on your screen. If you want to connect over USB, first set your smartphone to developer mode on your smartphone settings. Then, connect your smartphone to your computer or laptop. Also, don't forget to turn on USB debugging mode. After that, your computer and laptop should have detected your smartphone, so as the client. With all the things ready, let's test it out. Finally, now you can show your face online on video conference. Not only that, you can use it on another application that supports video call, like Discord. Or if you're a content creator or a streamer, you can use this method too by adding another screen on the screen capture application. Additional info: if your computer or laptop doesn't detect your smartphone, download and install ADB driver from this site. After it's installed, restart your computer or laptop and it should be working. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.